Hey guys, today we're in one of the fastest growing communities just outside of Sioux Falls. Welcome to T, South Dakota. Now, this one right here, it's not just about the home, it's about the lifestyle and the location and the opportunity and everything that comes with it. So let's go take a look. T, South Dakota is one of those communities that people move to and go. Yep, this is it. You've got that small town feel, but you're just minutes from Sioux Falls, making it perfect for commuting, shopping, dining, and everything in between. And right here, this location is tough to beat. Directly across the street is T Area Legacy Elementary School. Talk about convenience. Whether it's taking the kids to school or just enjoying the open space and energy of the neighborhood, this is a spot that just feels right. T Area School District continues to grow and is known for strong academics and community support, making it a big reason why so many people are choosing T. And if you like getting outside, you're going to love it here. T has multiple parks, trails, and recreational areas, including a city park with a pool, walking trails, playgrounds, and even a fishing pond. Whether it's summer nights at the park, kids playing ball, or just enjoying a drive through the neighborhood, this is the kind of place where you feel connected. And let's be honest, finding a home in a location like this, right across from a school and close to parks, those don't come around every day. Now let's step inside. This ranch-style home offers over 1,100 finished square feet on the main level, with 3 bedrooms, all in one level, and a main floor laundry, something buyers are always looking for. The living room features a vaulted ceiling and a wood-burning stove, giving it that warmth, cozy feel, especially during those South Dakota winters. Here's where it gets fun. The lower level is unfinished with over 1,100 additional square feet. So whether you're thinking extra bedrooms, family room, home gym, or all the above, this is your chance to build some serious sweat equity. Outside, you've got a fenced-in yard, paver patio, and even grapevines already growing, just waiting for someone to bring it back to life. Don't forget the 2-stall attached garage. So here's the deal. If you're someone who's not afraid to roll up your sleeves a little bit, and you're looking for a home in a great location that checks all the boxes, this might be the one. Great neighborhood, strong community, and a ton of potential to make it your own. We're the Home Team 605. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.